How to fix Pikashow black screen issue. So you have to follow these steps. So first of all, close the Pikashow app completely and relaunch it to clear any temporary black screen glitches. If the black screen persists, press and hold the power button and restart your device completely. Make sure your device is connected to a fast and stable internet connection before opening Pikashow. Go to device settings, find Pikashow under apps, tap clear cache and then reopen the app. If clearing cache did not help, go back to the same menu and tap clear data to fully reset the app. Inside Pikashow, go to settings and switch to a different media player as the current one may be causing the black screen. Go to Pikashow settings and turn off hardware isolation as it can sometimes cause black screen issues on certain devices. Go to video settings inside Pikashow and lower the streaming quality to fix black screen issues on slower connections. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off as it can sometimes interfere with video playback and cause black screen. Open your browser and search for the latest Pikashow APK to make sure you are running the most recent variant. If the black screen still persists, go to settings, find Pikashow under apps, tap uninstall and reinstall a fresh variant. I hope your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching.